Hello friends, welcome to Suresh Aggarwal's Mathematics Shortcuts, your one stop for learning some smart tricks which make you resourceful and help you calculate 10 times faster. So if you are aware of these basic tricks, then the simplification problems and the quantitative aptitude does not bother you anymore, and you can crack a huge number of multiple choice questions by smart methods in limited amount of time. So what do we have in this video? A very important video for all those who are scared of square roots, and especially the numbers which are not perfect squares, just like square root of maybe 28. What is square root of 28? Nobody can tell me, because you need to use the long division method there. And square root of maybe 91 or 92. They are non-perfect square numbers and it is so difficult to tell the square root. So we need a method through which we can approximate the square root. We at least get an idea what is the value, nearly correct value of that particular square root. And that is the intention of making this video. So the video highlights the importance of square root approximation, and you will see that your answer will be very close to the answer which the calculator will give you. Okay, and sometimes the multiple choice questions, that can be cracked through approximate idea of the square root answer, and that's what is the intention. And this trick which I am going to take up is a part of the chapter 4 of our ebook of short tricks, which is titled Simplifying the Squares, the Cubes, the Square Roots and the Cube Roots. So we have done squares, we have done cubes, we are into square roots as of now, and we will be doing cube roots also. So keep watching the series of videos in this amazing playlist given here in the channel. So friends, square root approximation, when we talk about that, it is a short trick, and short tricks are in this ebook of short tricks. 350 such short tricks given in there. You want a copy of that? Send me a message on WhatsApp. This is the WhatsApp number 9896369963. The description of this video also contains all these details which you should know. Let's see the first question, and using that first question I'll tell you the concept also, and then we will practice it. The first question here is square root of 32. Obviously square root of 32 you can do by factorization also. So if you write 32 as square root of 16 into 2, this is 16 is 4, right? So 4 root 2, and if you know the value of root 2, 1.414, so it will give you an approximate value of root 32 also. 4 for the 16, 6, 1 carry, 5, 4 for the 16, 6, 1 carry and 5. So approximately 5.65 or rounded off to 5.7, right? That is the approximation of square root of 32. Now we want this value even if this factorization is not possible. So watch how we can do that. Now 32 is very close to 5 square. So I need the nearest square which is less than 32. Okay, so less than 5 square is the nearest square, right? So I just need this number 5. So what do? This number 5 becomes the part before the decimal. So 5 point. Okay, so this is pretty oral and part of mental maths only. Now what about the number after decimal? For that you just need to do the difference between these two, that is 32 minus 25, which is 7, and divide it by double of this number before the decimal, that is 5. So 7 upon 10, and this is 0.7, and just put 7 here, 0.7. 5.7 is the approximate value which we got through traditional method also. And see how quickly you can do this. And this is the smartness, you use so many different mathematics concept to come up with a short trick. And it is not a short trick, it actually uses some other concepts. So let's practice this now. Let's have square root of 81. Now 89 it is very close to 81, which is 9 square, right? So the final answer, square root of 89, will be 9 point something, right? And what is that 9 point something. You just need to take the difference like this. 89 minus 81 is 8 and divide by double of this number 9. So this cancels this 4 times. So this is practically 4 upon 9. And if you do 4 upon 9, 4 upon 9 will give you 0.444. Right? So 0.444. And you can check using the calculators now. Is the answer 9.44? You are going to be surprised, friends. No long division required, just the approximation, and you could find the square root of 89 so very easily. Isn't that amazing? Let's see some more questions. Square root of 109. So obviously 109 is greater than 10 square, which is 100. So 109 starts with 10 point. Now the difference between 109 and 100 is 9. Divide that by double of this number 10, and that will give you 9 by 2 4.5. 4.5 upon 10 is 0.45, and now suffix this 0.45 here. You will get 10.45 as the approximate value of square root of 109. Keep on checking, friends. Just use the calculator and let me know if this is working or not. Okay, let's see another one. 284. Now 284 is greater than 21 square is 441. 22 square is 4. Oh, that is way off. So I need 284. So that is 13. 13 square is how much? 169. 14 square 196. 15 square 225. 16 square 256. 17 square 289. That is above. So 16 square, which is 256. So square root of 284 will be 16 point something. And what is that something? For that I have to do some more calculations. 284 minus 16 square 256 is 28. So 28 divided by double of this number 16. So I can cancel like 2, this is 14 times, and another 2 cancels out, so 7 upon 8. And 7 upon 8 actually is 0.875, and 0.875 comes here and gives me the approximate value of square root of 284. Not very big numbers, but yes, up to numbers like 1000 you can do with this method and approximate the square roots. Okay, friends, so if you're liking all these videos which we are posting specially to improve your calculation speed, you need to give it a share. Just take the link, share it in your WhatsApp group so that other people also know the wonder of mathematics, and you can practice and crack all those competitive exams in future. So friends, if you like it, do share it, and don't forget to subscribe our channel Suresh Aggarwal's Mathematics Shortcuts, and click the bell shaped icon. This is really important, clicking this so that you keep on getting all the notifications of future uploads on your mobile itself. Practice it, 30-40 questions, and let me know in the comments below, is it working for you? All the best.